Crunchy Nigeria chin chin. Everybody loves it. Let me walk you through how you can make it for your family or for your clients. Have 1 kg of all-purpose flour. I go in with the baking powder, a little bit of salt, some nutmeg, and I will go in with the sugar. I will still leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I added some coconut flakes as well. That is optional, but the reason why I make use of coconut flakes, the person that owned this kitchen, the one that she tasted from me, has coconut flakes in it, alright, and she wants exactly the same thing, alright. Once I add all the dry ingredients, I just go ahead and mix it together until they are well combined. I go in with the butter. This is butter, alright. It is not oil. I put it beside the gas. That is why it's melted, alright. Added egg as well, and I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Go in with the vanilla extract as well, or any flavor of your choice. I'll be adding the milk little by little, alright, so I don't add too much. Once I add the milk, I'll continue to mix until I achieve smooth dough consistency. This is exactly what I'm looking for. As you guys can see, the dough is smooth and stretchy, not too soft and not too hard. I'm going for not too crunchy chin chin or not too soft, alright, in between, alright. I'll give the dough a final knead and I'm going to go ahead, cover it with plastic wrap and allow to rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I flour my working surface a little bit, not too much of flour, alright. I knead the dough a little bit and I'm going to go ahead and roll it into a flat shape and just cut it into any shape of my choice. I'm making use of pizza cutter to cut the chin chin into small shape. If you don't have pizza cutter, make use of knife. But if you are making a lot of chin chin, pizza cutter will make the job very easy, alright? Just go ahead and cut it into any shape of your choice. Added enough oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I go in with the chin chin and allow to fry. This is the first batch that I cut, alright. I want to fry this set, alright, before I go back and cut the other batches, alright, just to avoid the chin chin from sticking together. If you cut chin chin and then you leave it for a long period of time, it started to stick together, alright, and I want to avoid that. That is why I'm frying this one first before I go back and cut the other batches, alright. Once I add the chin chin, I just use my fork to lift it up from the pan, alright. The reason why I'm using fork to lift the chin chin gently is because I don't want the oil to foam, alright. If you add chin chin into the oil and then you started stirring it immediately, the oil is going to start bubbling up. It's going to start foaming, alright, and then you'll not be able to use that oil to fry all the chin chin, alright. So avoid that. Make use of fork to lift up the chin chin gently if necessary, alright. As you guys can see, this batch is almost done. I just keep stirring on it and I'm frying on a medium low heat, alright, so it doesn't burn. You guys take a moment to appreciate the color. It is not done yet, but the color is giving, the taste is giving, everything is just giving everything that I wanted. You guys, it tastes absolutely amazing. This batch is done. I just go ahead, remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel, and I'm going to continue to repeat the same process till I'm done with all the chin chin. But I will end the video alright, so I can concentrate on the rest of the chin chin. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.